Saltwater dimmer. It consists of container, fixed contact, movable contact, luminaires means lamp. Figure shows one container, one movable contact as well as one fixed contact. Lamp is connected in series with supply. Construction. Saltwater dimmer rely on silent and distance between metal contacts to control the brightness of the luminaries. It consists of container in which salt water is there. There is a one electrode fixed at the bottom and the other electrode can move up and down. The electric supply is connected across these electrodes. Movable electrode is connected in series with the lamp. The electric power fed to the lamp can be controlled by the movement of this electrode by increasing and decreasing its distance from the fixed electrode. As the movable electrode moves upward, the distance between the two electrodes increases. The resistance between these electrodes increases, therefore, voltage applied to the luminaries decreases. Hence, the brightness of the lamp decreases. As the movable electrode moves downward, the distance between the two electrodes decreases. The resistance between this electrode decreases, therefore, voltage applied to the luminaries increases. This the brightness of lamp increases. The closer the contact are to each other, the brightness of the luminaries. The effectiveness of the control depends on the smoothness. Figure shows saltwater dimmer used in old days. It consists of number of wheels arranged on a common shaft. The wheels can be rotated by moving the control rod. As the control rod is moved, the motion of wheel is transferred to the belt. The moving electrode is connected to the belt, thus moving rod also moves. The motion of the moving rod can be controlled with a control rod. Advantages: smooth control of brightness, better control. Then disadvantage of saltwater dimmer: operation is not safe, leakage current can be present, current can be produced, chloric gas or flammable hydrogen and oxygen due to chemical reaction in salt water. Considerable attention is required to keep the water level constant. Next one is a operating mechanism has been designed for precise movement to get better control.